Welcome to AutoCare AI. This walkthrough shows the Android app first, then the connected web workspace in a mobile browser, so customers and clients can see the complete product experience. The app starts with secure Google sign-in. AutoCare AI uses the account to sync vehicle records, reminders, receipts, and reports across devices, while still keeping daily maintenance entry quick on the phone. After sign-in, the dashboard becomes the main control center. It shows sync status, quick actions, recent activity, tax savings, fuel efficiency, and reminders without forcing the driver to search through menus. The dashboard is built around common car ownership tasks. A driver can add a fill-up, log a service, record an expense, save a trip, update the odometer, or review reminders from the same screen. Scrolling further shows stats and planning tools. Fuel efficiency, cost per mile or kilometer, trip summaries, reports, settings, reminders, and the AI assistant are all available from the same guided flow. The AI assistant area gives maintenance hints and helps explain what the vehicle may need next. Trust and sync cards make it clear when records are online, queued, or waiting for connection. Recent activity builds a timeline of work done on the vehicle. Fuel, service, and expense entries stay visible with vehicle name, odometer context, cost, and sync state, which makes the app useful even before opening reports. The fill-up form is designed for fast entry at a fuel station. It uses the selected vehicle, odometer, quantity, price per unit, total, station, partial tank status, notes, and receipt attachment. The form also includes shortcuts such as repeat last fill up, attach receipt, and save while offline. After saving, the history section immediately shows the new fuel record with edit and delete controls. Next is the service flow. The app captures service items, service center, cost, notes, receipt, and the latest odometer reading, so routine maintenance can be recorded in a consistent format. Service presets reduce typing for common jobs, such as oil changes and filters. Once saved, the record appears in history and contributes to reminders, costs, and future maintenance context. Expense tracking covers parking, insurance, taxes, personal costs, and other ownership items. This helps drivers and business users separate fuel, service, trip, and general vehicle spending. Trip logging supports business and personal mileage. The form records start and end locations, distance, duration, average speed, parking, tolls, tax rate, and notes for practical mileage documentation. As records are added, the dashboard updates with fresher activity and more complete summaries. The goal is to keep the driver informed without making them manage spreadsheets manually. The vehicle garage supports multiple cars. Each vehicle can have its own type, odometer, default status, and history, which is important for households, small businesses, and service demonstrations. Here a new vehicle is added to the garage. AutoCare AI keeps vehicle switching visible, so every fill-up, service record, trip, and report is attached to the correct car. After returning to the dashboard, the new vehicle information is reflected in the account. This shows the app working as a real product workflow rather than isolated demo screens. Settings cover the preferences a maintenance app needs in daily use. The driver can choose metric units, currency, theme, mileage rate, reminder notifications, annual registration watch, and language behavior. Privacy and permissions are also surfaced inside settings. The app explains what is used, links to policy information, and keeps support and sharing controls close to the account tools. The walkthrough then moves from the native Android app into the mobile browser. This is useful for marketing because it shows AutoCare AI as an ecosystem, not only a phone screen. On the Irshad OS site, AutoCare AI is presented as a featured app. The page explains that it keeps vehicle records in one place and links users to the Android app and support. The web experience includes localization support. The language selector demonstrates that the product can serve a broader audience while keeping the same account and app identity. The browser then uses Google authentication for the web workspace. This mirrors the Android sign-in pattern and keeps the user experience consistent between mobile app and web app. After sign-in, the AutoCare AI workspace loads with account context and synced data. It confirms that records created in the app can be reviewed from the web interface. The web dashboard gives a clean overview of vehicles, garage records, fuel entries, service records, reports, assistant, and settings. The mobile browser layout keeps the important actions reachable. Navigation shows the larger Irshad OS site around the app, but the workspace remains focused on AutoCare AI records. This is helpful for demos, support, and client review. The web fill-up form follows the same business rules as the Android app. Vehicle, odometer, quantity, price, total, station, partial tank status, and notes are available from the browser. The records view lists fuel and service history with enough detail to audit entries later. This makes the product useful for maintenance review, reimbursements, and ownership cost tracking. Profile settings on the web expose account preferences such as metric units, currency, language, theme, mileage rate, notifications, email alerts, and consent settings in a readable layout. Returning to the web dashboard shows the same product idea from another angle. A driver can record on the phone, review on the web, and keep vehicle history synchronized. AutoCare AI is built as a practical maintenance assistant for real drivers, portfolio clients, and small business users. It combines fast record entry, reminders, reports, AI guidance, offline-friendly sync, and a connected web workspace.